Tesla's flagship just got a serious upgrade. And no, it's not just software. The 2026 Tesla Model S is here, and it's faster, smarter, and sleeker than ever. If you thought Tesla was slowing down, think again. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the newest rides with real talk. And today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic EVs on the road. Design. At first glance, the 2026 Model S looks familiar, but Tesla's made some smart refinements. The front fascia is cleaner, with slimmer headlights and improved aerodynamics. New wheel designs and a refreshed rear end give it a more aggressive, future-forward look. It's still sleek, still minimalist, but now with a sharper edge. Performance. Tesla's never been shy about speed, and the new Model S proves it. The standard dual-motor setup offers insane acceleration, but if you go for the Plaid Plus version, we're talking sub 2 seconds 0 to 60 times. That's supercar territory. Improved battery chemistry means better range too, now topping out around 450 miles, with faster charging thanks to updated Supercharger Vi 5 compatibility. Features and tech. Inside, Tesla doubles down on tech. The yoke steering remains, love it or not, and the center display is now even sharper with smoother UI transitions. The rear screen now supports full app functionality, and the sound system is cinema level. Autopilot has received meaningful upgrades, including better lane recognition, city navigation improvements, and smarter driver monitoring. Conclusion. The 2026 Model S is Tesla refining what it does best: blistering speed, cutting-edge tech, and a cabin that feels more like a spaceship than a sedan. Is it still the benchmark for luxury electric vehicles? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the breakdown, hit like, share it with a fellow EV fan, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world looks at the cars shaping tomorrow. Catch you in the next one. Drive electric, drive smart.